Okay, so next is the vanilla extract. We are doing 1 teaspoon. And mix that in. Okay, so now that's stirred in, we're gonna make them into small bite-sized balls. So we have this little scoop, and we're gonna roll it into a nice ball, and then set it on a cookie sheet with parchment paper on it.
Yeah.
So after you roll them, they are ready to eat or store in an airtight container or freeze. And this concludes our monster cookie snack balls. Bye.